on toy Ford Bronco Raptors in a sunlit backyard. Kids playing happily inside. Narrator, imagine the joy on your child's face as they hop into their very own Ford Bronco Raptors, taking control of this powerful 24-wheel ride-on toy for big kids. Whether it's cruising through the neighborhood with friends or embarking on exciting backyard adventures, this two-seater ride-on car is perfect for kids who love to explore and have fun. Ford Bronco Raptors. Narrator, this ride-on toy is designed for big kids who are ready to take their playtime to the next level. With its sleek design, powerful 24V battery, and realistic features, this Ford Bronco Raptors is sure to delight children of all ages. Visual close-up of the features of the Ford Bronco Raptors ride-on toy. Narrator, let's talk about some of the amazing benefits and features of this ride-on toy. With its four-wheeler suspension, your child will experience a smooth and comfortable ride over rough terrain, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. The 3 speeds allow for customization based on your child's comfort level and skill, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience every time. The ride-on toy. Narrator, the remote control feature adds an extra layer of safety and convenience for parents, allowing you to take control of the ride-on toy when needed. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your child is always safe and supervised during their playtime. Visual, child driving the Ford Bronco Raptors with LED lights on. Narrator, and let's not forget about the fun features. The LED lights add a touch of excitement and style to the ride-on toy, making it even more thrilling for kids. With Bluetooth connectivity, your child can listen to their favorite music as they ride around in style. Visual, child driving the Ford Bronco Raptors through different scenarios. Backyard, park, neighborhood. Narrator, this Ford Bronco Raptors ride-on toy is perfect for a variety of scenarios. Whether your child is playing in the backyard, at the park, or cruising around the neighborhood, this ride-on toy will provide endless hours of fun and entertainment. Let their imagination run wild as they explore new places and create unforgettable memories. Bronco Raptors with other ride-on toys. Narrator, compared to other ride-on toys, the Ford Bronco Raptors stands out with its superior design, powerful motor, and advanced features. The 2-seater capacity allows your child to share the fun with friends and siblings, creating unforgettable moments and fostering social interaction. Visual, real-life examples of children enjoying the Ford Bronco Raptors ride-on toy. Narrator, let me share a real-life example of how this ride-on toy has brought joy and excitement to children. Sarah, from California, says that her kids absolutely love their Ford Bronco Raptors and have been playing with it non-stop since they got it. They especially love the LED lights and Bluetooth feature, making their playtime even more fun and memorable. Visual, child playing with the Ford Bronco Raptors ride-on toy. Narrator, so what are you waiting for? Give your child the gift of endless fun and adventure with the Ford Bronco Raptors ride-on toy. Click the link below to get yours today and watch Your child's face light up with joy. Visual. Call to action graphic with link to purchase the Ford Bronco Raptors ride-on toy. Narrator, don't miss out on the opportunity to make your child's playtime truly unforgettable. Get your very own Ford Bronco Raptors ride-on toy today and let the adventures begin.